Hello everyone, it's February 1st, 2015. Looks like airlines have already canceled flights as a new storm is approaching the Midwest and the Northeast. As of 11:35 p.m. Eastern Time on Saturday, airlines had grounded more than 1,200 flights through Friday, according to flight tracking service FlightAware. For Sunday, more than 1,000 flights were grounded as of late Saturday, while another 260 had already been grounded for Monday. Airlines waived rebooked fees and had grounded nearly 1,200 flights by Saturday evening as a new winter storm took aim at the Midwest and Northeast. Now, most big airlines had issued weather waivers that allowed passengers flying to airports in the storm's path to change their flight plans without paying the standard change fees. Carriers issuing weather waivers as of late Saturday included American, Delta, JetBlue, Spirit, Southwest, United, U.S. Airways, and Virgin America Airlines. So I think it's the right decision, though, to go ahead and cancel the flights because you know that a storm is approaching. Another big storm is approaching. Also, as the airlines thought ahead of last week's storm that snarled flights in the Northeast, airlines preemptively began canceling flights ahead of the latest storm. So they're thinking ahead of time, which is for the safety of everyone. So thank you for viewing, and please comment and subscribe.